So here we are at this sander. Remember that you must have done your on-guard training for this first. So once you got your on-guard training done and uploaded, then you can use this sander. And for most of you, when you finished your boat, you will have done that at this stage. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to, remember that this turns in a anti-clockwise direction, so it's going to pull our work down. We don't want to hold our work off the surface, we want to make sure our work's on the surface. I'm going to lightly move across the disc. Alright, so it's important that you move across the disc as you go. So yes, important we move across the entirety of the disc and watch our line. We're going down to our line. Alright, so turn it on. Don't push hard. Keep it moving. Watch your line. So now I'm down close to my line. I'm going to check my size. Make sure it's the same top and bottom. It is. And then I'm going to move on and do the other ones. When I'm finished, I want to make sure that both my sides are the same and both my front and back are the same length. That's important that your sides and your front and your left and right hand side are both 100 millimeters and they're both the same length, and that my front and my back are 200 millimeters and the same length. Cheers guys.